Still using Ansible to deploy Apache NiFi Data Flows across multiple environments? Well, in that case, you may face common challenges like spending hours writing complex YAML scripts for each environment, handling NiFi REST API calls directly, needing NiFi expertise for basic deployments, and creating custom error recovery and rollback scripts. Well, let's be real. That's not automation. That's manual work, just wrapped in scripts. Meet DataFlow Manager, designed specifically for NiFi data flow promotion across environments. It offers user-friendly interface with no NiFi or Ansible skills needed. One-click NiFi data flow promotion, audit trails, easy rollback, and quick onboarding for teams. Stop struggling with NiFi data flow deployments. Try DataFlow Manager today. Book your demo and see the game-changing difference. The future of NiFi data flow deployments is here.